apele opola mara before babethe nawile after bukarishma nawile babethe asina hit o tšea botse, but no after like break the record no 2 weeks 2 million views guys. Mara what if re le setaba tša batho
So that guy has definitely opened up a can of worms after posting that video on TikTok. It hasn't been a month since we laid upcoming Limpopo Lukompo artist Nova Style, who's known as his real name Mpho Eric Ngwepe, after of course a tragic accident, you guys, whereby he was traveling with Babete and West Boy, and the two had no scars or anything. They were discharged, I think, a week after the accident, and it is said that Nova SA was in the car, and it seems like that's why what's at the back of the car when the accident occurred, and I'm guessing that's where the car that hit them hit the most, you guys. So now that guy is making very serious and damaging allegations against Babete. He says that it has been quite some time since Babete as in a hit, he has been down and out for quite some time, and now he was handling Nova Style. He was creating music with Nova Style, and we do know that Nova was a very talented young man with hits, and this man basically is insinuating that what if Ubabete sacrificed Nova. He says now that Nova is no more, his career is starting to boom. He raised eyebrow. He didn't want to say that, but because he was afraid of lawsuits, I'm guessing. But people in the comment section were saying, agreeing with him, basically saying that they can see where he's taking this. This guy was actually insinuating that Babete is booming because of the alleged sacrifice. Guys, what do you think about this issue of Illuminati and sacrifices? Do you think they do exist in our country? Do you think they exist in the music industry of South Africa, especially Lukompo, or is it just an American thing? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much, guys, for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. We'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.